Hello and welcome to a DesignR1 training video. Today we're going to install AutomatoR1, which is an Act add-on product which takes your Act database and your Act software and allows you to automate certain things, kind of like macros. You can save mouse clicks, you can avoid keyboard strokes, and you can save yourself time and energy and become way more efficient. So I've downloaded the Automator install file from our website DesignR1.com, and all you need to do is double click on it once it's been downloaded and click on next a couple times, and that will install the program and integrate it with your local Act copy. When it's done, all you do is click on close and open up the Act database so we can get things started. Alright, so I've opened up Act and I'm in my demo database here. Let me go ahead and just create a new contact here real quick. Right click, new contact, call it Mark Hammer. That's my name. I'm the owner of DesignR1, and I'm going to snooze my alarms here, and 5 minutes is fine. Snooze my alarm again, 5 minutes is fine, and I'm going to get things started. Go to my tools menu, design layouts, contact, and over here on my left hand navigation bar I need you to right click in this open area, choose customize, and then check the boxes for Automator and quick actions. Notice I now have a custom control over here that I can click on. I'm going to choose quick actions, and I go from a mouse to a crosshair, and I'm going to click over here in my layout. I can then position this quick control where I think it looks good. Click on the save icon on my toolbar, file exit, and now I'm ready to use Automator. So notice I don't have any activities. Let's say I need to follow up with Mark next week based off of a phone call. I can type in a note here to follow up next week and click on 1 week follow-up. Notice how that immediately schedules a phone call for me for Mark for next week. This, instead of going to my phone call button, choosing next week on the 2nd, choosing a time, choosing a duration, plugging in a regarding to choose follow-up, cold call, or whatever you need to be, choosing our priority, a color, an alarm. I click OK. I just use one mouse click to do my follow-up. If I want to do a 2-week follow-up, same thing, and click on 2-week follow-up, and boom, there it is, just that fast. Same thing for notes. If I want to make a note, favorite color is green, just type it into the little box here, click on quick note, and boom, there it is. History is same thing. If I come over here to my history tab, and you don't have to click on the history tab first. If I go back to notes, I can, left VM for voicemail, click on quick voicemail history button down here. Notice on my history tab, there it is. That's so much faster than clicking on my big history button up here in the toolbar, choosing call from the drop-down list, then choosing left a message, a date, a time, a duration. Change this to maybe 5 minutes to manually type it in there. My regarding was a follow-up. Type in my text, click OK. It's much faster to type the text here in my little box, click on voicemail, and boom, you're on. So Automator helps you save time. There's actually more than 20 different functions that Automator can do. This is just to wet your whistle. We can do notes, we can do contacts, we can do opportunities, histories, you name it. We're here to make your lives easier. That's what DesignR1 is all about. That's what AutomatoR1 will help you do with Act. Thank you very much. Have a great day. We hope to hear from you soon.